The science of meditation, how it changes your brain. Have you ever wondered how meditation could do more than just calm your mind? You may have heard that meditation can help with relaxation, but science tells us it doesn't stop there. Meditation can physically change your brain in ways that enhance mental clarity, reduce stress, and foster emotional resilience. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of neuroscience to show you how meditation works and why it's one of the most effective tools for self-improvement. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or simply curious to learn what happens in the brain, this video will give you clear, practical insights backed by research. Let's explore the transformative power of meditation. Meditation often comes with misconceptions. It's not just sitting cross-legged in complete silence for hours. At its core, meditation is about mindfulness, setting aside time to focus your awareness and train your attention. It can involve techniques like focused breathing, observing your thoughts non-judgmentally, or relaxing individual parts of your body. While once thought to belong only to monks and spiritual practitioners, meditation has gained recognition from scientists as a powerful tool for improving the mind. And the exciting part? These benefits are measurable in your brain. With the advent of advanced imaging tools like MRIs, scientists can now see the physical transformations in the brain triggered by meditation. Studies consistently show that meditation changes the structure and function of multiple brain regions. These changes aren't temporary. They are long-lasting and deepen the longer you practice. Meditation allows you to rewire your brain, a phenomenon called neuroplasticity. Think of it as reshaping your brain's pathways to work in your favor. Let's look closer at how this happens step by step. Research highlights several critical areas of the brain that benefit from meditation. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of your brain, is responsible for skills like decision-making, focus, and self-discipline. Meditation strengthens this region, giving you greater control over your actions and thoughts. Over time, this means you'll find it easier to stay focused on tasks, make mindful decisions, and resist harmful habits. Think of the amygdala as your brain's alarm system. It activates in response to fear, stress, or perceived threats. Regular meditation has been shown to reduce the size and activity of the amygdala, which means you are less likely to feel overwhelmed by daily stress or negative emotions. Instead, you'll develop a sense of calm even during challenging situations. The hippocampus plays a vital role in regulating emotions and storing memories. Meditation increases the density of gray matter in this area. This not only boosts your memory and learning capacity, but also strengthens your ability to manage emotional ups and downs. So, how do these changes in the brain translate into real-life benefits? Let's break it down into simple yet impactful outcomes. Reduced stress and anxiety. Meditation helps lower cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress. A calmer brain means greater emotional balance and a reduced tendency to overreact to life's stressors. 2. Improved focus and attention. By strengthening the prefrontal cortex, meditation builds the mental muscles needed for sustained attention. Better emotional regulation, with a more developed hippocampus and calmed amygdala, you'll find it easier to manage emotions like anger, sadness, or frustration. These emotional and cognitive benefits make meditation a practical tool for creating a more fulfilling and peaceful life. The changes meditation creates in your brain empower you to navigate the ups and downs of daily life more effectively. Imagine remaining calm under pressure during a stressful workday or finding the focus to set aside distractions and accomplish your goals. Meditation can also transform the way you interact with others. A calmer, more focused mind helps improve communication and foster better relationships as you approach situations with empathy and clarity. And perhaps most importantly, it gives you a tool to recharge your mind amidst the chaos of modern life. As powerful as meditation is, many people hold back because of common myths or misconceptions like these. Myth 1. Meditation requires hours of practice to work. You don't need to dedicate hours a day to feel the benefits. Studies show that even 5 to 10 minutes of daily meditation can lead to measurable changes in your brain. Myth 2. Meditation requires perfect silence or eliminating all thoughts. Meditation is not about forcing your mind to go blank. Instead, it's about learning to observe your thoughts without judgment and gently guiding your focus back to your point of attention, such as your breath. Perfection isn't the goal, presence and consistency are. If myths like these have held you back, now's the time to reset your mindset and give meditation a try. Meditation doesn't require expensive equipment or a perfect environment. All you need is a few quiet minutes, an open mind, and a little consistency. Here's how you can start. Set aside 5 minutes daily. Start small. Reserve a short amount of time each day for practice. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position during this time. Focus on your breath. Pay attention to the rhythm of your breathing, the sensation of air in and out, and use it as an anchor when your mind begins to wander. Experiment with different techniques. From guided meditations to body scans or gratitude practices, explore what resonates with you. Apps and online videos offer great starting points. 4. Stay consistent. The key is not how long you meditate, but how regularly you do it. Small steps create big results over time. Remember, meditation is a personal journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. You'll find what works best for you as you experiment. Recent studies provide inspiring evidence of meditation's power. For example, MRI scans of participants after an 8-week mindfulness course showed a noticeable increase in the size of their hippocampus and a decrease in amygdala activity. These changes directly correlate with reduced stress and enhanced emotional health. In another study, participants who meditated regularly reported an improved ability to control negative thoughts and achieve greater mental clarity. Their brains adapted to stressful situations with more resilience compared to non-meditators. These findings are proof that meditation isn't just a trendy practice, it's a science-backed tool for transforming your brain and life. If you've tried meditation before but struggled to stay consistent or patient, you're not alone. The key to overcoming barriers is to reset your expectations. Understand that it's okay to get distracted during meditation. What matters is that you gently return to your practice without judgment. By starting small, staying curious, and forgiving yourself for perceived failures, you'll gradually build a habit that feels both accessible and rewarding. Meditation is not just about calming your thoughts, it's about reshaping and improving your brain. Through consistent practice, you can enhance important areas like the prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, and amygdala, leading to reduced stress, better focus, and greater emotional balance. Most importantly, meditation shows us the profound power of small, intentional actions to create lasting change. Whether you're someone eager to deepen your practice or a beginner just starting, the benefits of meditation are within reach for everyone. So, why not give meditation a try? Unlock the potential of your mind one breath at a time and step into a calmer, clearer, and more empowered version of yourself. The science is clear. It's time to start your journey today.